Welcome back. In the last lecture, we have covered about the introduction of the Linux, and we have seen about the roadmap, what roadmap we should choose to learn the Linux. Either it should be the Linux Professional Institute certification or it is the Red Hat Enterprise certification path. So we have seen those, and today we have to start from the open source principles. So let's start. Open source software follows principles such as collaboration, transparency, and free redistribution. In open source projects, the source code is publicly available so developers can study, modify, improve, and share this software. This development model encourages innovation, faster bug fixing, and strong community support. Linux mainly uses the general public license GPL. This license allows users to freely use, modify, and distribute the software while ensuring that modified versions also maintain open source. GPL protects user freedom and encourages community-driven development while respecting contributor rights. There are three major Linux distributions, as we have seen already in the last lecture. So just have a short overview of this again. The first is the Red Hat family, which includes the RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Fedora, CentOS, Oracle Linux. SUSE family includes the SLES and openSUSE, and Debian family includes the Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and some other distributions as well. Why Linux has many distributions? You can ask the question that why there are 100 plus Linux distributions. Why do we have these? The short answer is that it depends upon the requirement of the developers. That according to the needs of the developers, they modify in the operating systems, and sometimes these modifications, as a result of these modifications, a totally new Linux distribution get ready for use. So uh, it depends upon the developers that how new tools that they use, that how new packages that are required in the systems, and the depends upon the enterprise features that is asked from the company. So the developers have to produce those features. And fourth is the improvement in the current environments. As a result, a specialized Linux systems for servers, cloud, desktop, and enterprise Linux, you can say it is created. So as we already seen that the Red Hat family overview and its members of this family, so let's understand about the relationship between the Fedora and Red Hat. Fedora is community-driven Linux distribution that acts as a testing and innovation platform for future RHEL technologies. New software features and updates are usually introduced in Fedora before becoming part of the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. RHEL focuses on long-term stability and enterprise reliability, while Fedora focuses on newer technologies and faster development cycles. Let us see the CentOS and Oracle Linux. CentOS was historically known as the near identical rebuild of RHEL, Red Hat, and become a very popular in enterprise environments because it provides enterprise level stability without licensing cost. Later, CentOS Stream replaced traditionally CentOS Linux as a rolling preview versions for future RHEL updates. Oracle Linux is another RHEL-based distribution that includes Oracle-specific optimizations and supports multiple hardware architectures such as Intel x86, ARM, PowerPC, and IBM System Z. Red Hat family key facts. The Red Hat family uses the RPM package format and DNF package manager to install, update, and remove software packages. RHEL is widely trusted by enterprise because its stability, security, updates, professional support, and long-term maintenance. Many enterprise applications and cloud environments are built on the Red Hat technologies. Let us see the overview of SUSE family. The SUSE family is another major Linux distribution family commonly used in enterprise environments. SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, in short, we can say SLES, is the enterprise edition, while openSUSE is the community-driven version. Both distributions share many features and technologies, making openSUSE a good learning platform for SLES environments. SUSE family key facts. The SUSE family uses the RPM package format and the Zapier package manager. One of its most powerful feature is YAST, Y-A-S-T, a centralized administration tool for managing Linux systems. SUSE Linux Enterprise Server is widely used in industries such as retail, manufacturing, and enterprise data centers because of its reliability and enterprise support. YAST, yet another setup tool, is the powerful administration utility included in SUSE-based systems. It provides good graphical and common command line interfaces for managing system configurations. Administrators can use YAST to manage users, software packages, networking, storage devices, security settings, and system services from one centralized tool. Debian family overview. The Debian family is one of the oldest and most respected Linux distribution families. Debian serves as a upstream distribution for Ubuntu, while Ubuntu itself is upstream for Linux Mint and several another distributions. Debian-based systems are known for stability, large software repositories, and strong community support. Debian family key facts. The Debian family uses the DPKG package system along with apt package manager to install and manage software. Debian is known for stability and its huge collection of software packages. Ubuntu, one of the most popular Debian based distributions, is widely used in cloud computing, DevOps, and enterprise server deployments. Ubuntu and Linux Mint. Ubuntu is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed to provide ease of use, long-term stability, and strong community support. Ubuntu LTS, long-term support. LTS means long-term support. So Ubuntu LTS releases are widely used in servers and cloud environments. Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu and focuses on user friendliness and desktop usability. It is popular among beginners and desktop users because of its simple interface and multimedia support. package managers overview. As we have already seen that the Red Hat family uses the package type that is called RPM, and package manager is the DNF. SUSE also use the RPM type package, and the package manager is called Zapier, and the Debian family uses the package type of DEB, and apt is the package manager in Debian. The use of Linux in modern IT or the modern world, Linux is used in most of the areas of today's modern world. For example, the cloud computing, Kubernetes, DevOps, cybersecurity, AI infrastructure, web hosting, enterprises, and there is a long list of other uh, environments or businesses that that widely use Linux, and they are dependent on the Linux distributions. Chapter summary. So let us see what we have done till now. We have seen the three major Linux distribution families, and each family members we have seen, and we have learned about the features of them. We see that in what environments that these Linux distributions are used, and what are the skills that are provided by those Linux distributions. Short overview of these, and we will do hands-on practical things in our future lectures. So stay connected with me. Thank you very much.